Friends, welcome to my channel which is Swarit Bhati. Today I am going to teach you how to solve the third layer of 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. Start to solve the third layer. First, solving the third layer, we have to make plus in yellow again. But this time we have algorithms because we have to not disturb these two layers. So we can have three cases. First is dot. Second will be an inverted L. And third will be a line. So let's see the dot first. For a dot, we have to make an algorithm like this: front clockwise, R upward, U backward, R downward, U forward, and F anti-clockwise. So you can see a inverted L has formed in the U layer. So from a dot it comes to an inverted L. It will be the same algorithm, but just in this we have to move two layers like this. We'll say it F2 clockwise, R upward, U backward, R downward, U forward, and F2 anti-clockwise. You can see now a plus is formed. Now let us go to the third situation, which is a wait, let me make it. Yes, it is a line. So for this line we have to keep it in sleeping line, and we have to make the same algorithm: F and clockwise, R upward, U backward, R downward, U forward, and F anti-clockwise. So you can see a plus is formed again. You have to not see the corners, only we have to see the plus and the edges. Now the plus is formed. Our first step is completed, only the first step. Now let us go for the second step. Our second step is to recreate the edges. So let's do that. For recreating the edges, we have to find two edges which are in their place, means which are matching to their middle pieces. I have found two, this red and blue. So we have to keep one in our left and one in our back, and follow this algorithm: R upward, U forward or backward 2 times, R downward, U backward, U forward, R upward, U forward again, R downward, and U forward again. Now you can see that all the edges are in their places. Now this step is also completed. Now we have to keep the corners. Now for keeping the corners, first we have to arrange it. Now for edges, what we did, we first kept it and then arranged. But in corners, we will first arrange it, then we will keep it. You did not understand? Let's see. Now we will see any corner that is in the place. Yes. Just you have to rotate it. Yellow, red and blue, yellow, red and blue. So other any three are not there. So we will do this algorithm: L upward, U backward, R upward, U forward, L downward, U backward, R downward, U forward, and you can see all the corner pieces are in their places. Now if there is one yellow on the top, we will keep it in the back left side, and we will follow the algorithm what I am saying now. If there are two, we have to do like this, first this and this. And if it is like this in diagonal, first you have to do this and then this. I'll show you how to do. First with 1 or 0 means from anywhere we can solve. 1 or 0, it is the same thing. Now let's start it. For doing it significantly, we'll to move it like this. Yellow should be in our right, like this. See once. I'll show you like this, 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 like this. like this, like this, like this, like this. We have to do this algorithm 4 moves till the yellow comes in. The yellow came here, move the upward here, up layer here. Then again the same algorithm. The algorithm is R downward, U means D, what we'll say it, backward, R upward, and D forward. Then we have to move it. Then again the same algorithm, because that is done. And now our cube will be solved, just because we are keeping it in the correct places. Yes, you can say just we have to move it 2 times and our cube is solved. This is the easiest method to do, the smallest and easiest method I have shown you.